You got a question, I've got an answer. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Orrit in Cincinnati, Ohio. Orrit, how are you? Hi, Amy.
Hi, my question is, I want to know, can you sponsor a second spouse?
Well, you can be married, get divorced, and then remarry and sponsor a second spouse. But if you're in a bigamous marriage because you have multiple spouses, no. So I don't know what you're referring to. Multiple spouses because you're in a bigamous marriage, or you got married, divorced, and remarried again?
No, like divorced and remarried,
Okay.
but this new marriage, needs like, you have to help the person with their immigration status.
All right, so how did you get your green card? Through marriage?
No, U.S. citizen.
You got married to a U.S. citizen to get your green card, correct?
No. Also, it's my boyfriend, right? He got married before, but he had issues with his first wife, the divorce. Now, he wants to marry me.
And who's the U.S. citizen in the group?
My boyfriend.
Okay, so you're concerned that he already sponsored a first wife, and now he's going to be sponsoring you. Well, immigration, you're allowed to fall in love, fall out of love, and fall in love again. And believe it or not, you're allowed to fall in love twice with somebody who's undocumented. There's no law that says you can't. And there's no law that says you can't sponsor a wife. That wife gets a green card, you get divorced, and then you say, you know what, I fell in love with wife number 2, and lo and behold, she's out of status 2, and I need to file an adjustment for her. There's no law that says you can't. Now, immigration, they're going to say, well, whoa, let's put it together. Listen, let's make up your boyfriend's name, Sam. Listen, Sam, okay, is your business marrying women to get a green card? No, he's just going to have to prove that his first marriage was for love and his second marriage was for love. I mean, if the man is coming with his 30th wife in 5 years, then obviously the man's in business getting married to get a green card. But you're allowed to fall in love, fall out of love, and fall back in love again. That's not a problem at all. Plenty of people do it, and plenty of people have sponsored multiple wives in their lifetime. So as long as your marriage to this man is valid, bona fide, which means you're going to live with him and have a financial relationship with him, you go for it.
Okay, is there like a number of years or months we have to wait before we get married and file, or we can just do it
Just go do it.
Okay.
They say go, girl, you go.
All right, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Hello, Brad.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. I have 2 questions for you. I'm going for an interview this week, and our life insurance didn't send over a certificate.
You went for an interview, and what? You're breaking up, Mr. McPherson. You went for an interview, and I heard life insurance, but you're breaking up.
Yeah,
why don't we put Mr. McPherson on hold? Get him to a better area. We're going to go back to Mr. McPherson in a few minutes. Let's go to Saeed in Raleigh, North Carolina. Saeed.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are
Good evening, sir. Good, thank you. How are you?
Good. What's going on?
I have applied for my sibling for I-130, and in the process, he passed away. Can that be transferred to his widow wife and
only if the wife
sibling?
and siblings are in America?
No, they are not.
No, so unfortunately that would be the end of the case. So we would have to figure out a new way to get the wife and siblings here. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.